Hello everyone and welcome to Chop It Up. I'm sorry I'm not ROXX-A-MILLIon, but I'm ROXX-A-MILLION's baby!
Hello, I am ROXX-A-MILLION, y'all in my kitchen, and welcome to Chop It Up. I was not intending on recording this with y'all today, but I decided to bring y'all along. I'm about to make an old-fashioned chicken noodles. Chicken and noodles like my grandma used to make. And I've already washed the chicken and I have it in a pot. And what I'm about to do is I'm going to pour some olive oil over it. This helps the seasoning stick and helps the chicken get tender. So just pour enough over it. And I have some Everglades here. I'm going to put on here. Got some black pepper. Use a lot of black pepper on this one. Got some garlic powder. Onion powder. Some poultry seasoning. I'm also going to add a whole onion because I normally take the skin off everything, but in order for it to get the broth that I desire, and I'm putting bell peppers in here, green peppers. And a whole stick of butter because we need that the stock. We're making our new stock, so we have to have a stock. And you're gonna cover it with water. And we'll be cooking this until it's done. And I'll get back with y'all and let y'all see what I'll do next. Alright, so my chicken done cooked. And what I'm doing now, I'm taking it out because I will be removing all the bones. And then I will be putting the egg noodles in this broth. So y'all stay tuned. Let me get all this chicken out this pot. Get these bones out of here. Y'all, so I'm taking all the bones out. Because I don't want any bones in my chicken and noodles. And all that excess fat. I need the fat on it though in order to make the chicken stock. All that extra skin, we don't want that. It might be good, but it's not good for you. I got my apron on because I don't want to mess up my good shirt with this chicken juice and the little gristles and all that stuff. You eating your noodles, you don't want to have all that extra stuff that you're not going to eat. And now, my grandma was alive today and seeing me pulling all this stuff out this chicken, you have to tack her toes, honey. Because she'll be like, what is you doing? But this is the way I like it, and my family like it like this as well. They hate the bones in the chicken and noodles. Alright, so after I do this, y'all will see me putting the noodles in the pan with the chicken back in the pot. Alright, y'all. See you in a little bit. Alright, y'all. So I'm adding another stick of butter. This for the noodles into the broth. Paper stuff on it. Now I'm going to put the chicken that I picked and shredded back in. I ain't gonna tell y'all I did to try to keep from messing up my shirt. I still got some or chicken oil on my shirt. But anyway, I'm adding back in the chicken and the broth. And now, Noodles, wide egg noodles. If you want chicken and noodles, it's one bag. So if you want noodles and chicken, then you need two. And I think we're going what you want to rock with, honey?
I don't know what you're thinking.
I'm thinking I'll do that. I'll do 1.5 bags. That's what I always do. For this pot. This is my grandma's pot. And this is what she made her chicken and noodles in. I had wrestled it from Uncle Johnny, so it worked out. No, he gave it to me. But this was my grandma's pot. And she let me use it when she was alive, but she always say, bring my pot back. And I bring her pot back, and I always come back and get her pot. But then we're going to let this simmer. Oh, yeah, you know what else I'm going to add in here too, y'all? I'm going to add some more black pepper. And I need to add a little salt for the noodles. Ooh, the noodles need a little salt. See, I don't even use the salt that often. I get nervous with the salt. Alright, but that's it. When I come back, y'all, let's see the finished product. Hey, y'all, so I've already cooked it. Now I put it in my bowl. I add me a little Frank's. I got me a Barefoot Fruitopia wine. Very nice and fruity. This is hot. And normally I was like, what the difference is? They didn't have extra wide noodles. Because the extra wide had a little wave. It don't really have like the twist in it. This had more of a twist. But this is my grandma's chicken and noodles. And it's really good for right now because we probably at 40 degrees. And let me see if the nostalgia come back. Yeah, just sit here. It's my grandma noodles. This Beatrice on here. All day. When I was pregnant with Janae, I needed this at least twice a week. But anyway, I'm gonna have the business with this plate. And as always, I wish each and every one of y'all good health, happiness, love, success, prosperity, and money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Press the thumbs up. All right now.